Alright, we left off with just heating a system. But instead of just heating the system, let's just say for some reason we want to heat only part of the system. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove these streams. And we're actually going to just give it a little bit of room. We're going to separate these just a little bit. And we're going to add a divider in right here. And a mixer right here. Just put those up in the middle a little bit. So we'll put back our streams, we'll combine everything. And notice this gives us 3 options, but we're only going to use 2 of them. And we can do that right there. And so we have our system back together. So let's go back and actually just make sure our system's right. So we have 10 moles, 10 pound moles per hour of propane and all that. It's at 80 degrees Fahrenheit and everything. So that's good. Just make that same. Oops. So we'll go to the divider. Now we're just going to do a basic. We're going to do we're going to do option 0. There's 5 options. We're just going to do a flow ratio. And we're going to say output stream contains maybe 0.6 or 0.6 as a ratio, and the rest of this course is 40%. And we're not even going to fill in the second one. We're going to click OK. And actually, I'll show you what happens if you do put in. So let's say we put in 0.4. It'll bring up this, and it'll say we put in too much information. It's just going to ignore the last one. So we can let it ignore that, or we can just go back and remove it. So we'll just delete it. So our heat exchanger is the same. We're not going to have a pressure drop. I believe last time I said like this was like a temperature drop or something. That's pressure drop. We're going to assume that's 0. And we're going to say the temperature of stream 4 is 40 degrees. And we're going to press OK. And this is a combiner. We're going to have a output pressure. We're just going to leave it. We're going to press OK. Then we'll go to the very top and press run. So we can see that stream 3 has a total flow rate of 18 pound moles per hour, and stream 4 has 12 moles per hour. And again, it breaks it up and gives us all the information. And you can see that this has a vapor fraction of about 20%. I believe the other stream was 30%. It's 35%. So we'll just press exit, and we'll actually see what our final product was. And from this, I'll just click on it. We see our temperature is around 64, 65 degrees Fahrenheit. It has the same pressure. There was no pressure drop against anything. And it has a vapor fraction of just 0.28. So this is just the basic of how to use a divider and a mixer.